this is what they're doing. That's what they're doing. God damn it. Okay, you ready? Are you ready to help? So what's good, YouTube? This is gonna be a pretty simple video, nothing too crazy. Oh my God. Get away from my foot. We are going to be installing these. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. Look at these. Just got them Wednesday. God damn, boy. So this is what the old ones look like. These are going to be the new ones. They're going to go pretty nice with what I have planned for future modifications. So what you're going to need to install these, apparently there's a screw that I looked up. You're going to need one of these bad boys. Okay. You're going to need an American bully, a pocket bully. All right. And I think that should be it. This should be at least an hour job, but because it's me, I'm gonna go ahead and guess that it's probably gonna take at least, I'm gonna give it a rough 8 hours. There's this little screw right in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yo, chill out, bro. Chill. Right, so there's this little screw right there that I need to get to with this bad boy. So that's all that's basically holding this taillight in. Once you get it out, it's an easy install. So as you can see here, you slide these bad boys in there, right? This in there. There goes your screw. Okay. These are marked with directions. So these are the rights, I'm guessing. That's what the lefts look like. Okay, so yeah. Right here you'll see it says left hand, right hand. Are you taking her inside?
I will.
I don't have a helper now?
Well, I thought she was being annoying too.
Well, she keeps sniffing my leg, and that's inappropriate for the channel.
Come on, baby.
Oh, word? It's like that?
Come on, puppy poo.
It's like that, though? We don't need her anyway. So we're gonna do this. She don't have thumbs, so it don't really matter. Okay, so first screw is out. It's a fairly decent size. It's not too crazy, but this is the bit that you're gonna need. All right, so first screw's out. I'm gonna store these in my pocket because I have a tendency to lose shit. That's it. I guess you just pinch it and it comes right off. Make sure you don't damage these because God forbid this doesn't work out and now you're out of taillight. Did I say headlight before? God damn it. The new headlights come with an option to make them directional. Okay? The way to do that is there's these two little this little plug here that you have to basically unplug. That will make them directional headlights, kind of like the taillights. God damn it! This is what the new taillight looks like. It looks completely blacked out. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Looks way better than the old one. So that's the old. That's the new. Let's see if they work. So the hazards work. All right, let's check out the directionals there. Alright, so I must have had that backwards. I think I had to plug those back in and then try them out again. Okay, so I just reconnected those two little white wires. These two, okay? I just reconnected this. Let's see if that makes a difference. so as you can see per the instruction, disconnected is sequential and connected is normal. So let me read that to you. You can allow, I can't read it, but as you can see, I need to actually keep it unplugged. So let's unplug them. So it just got a little warm. I just disconnected it, so hopefully that makes a difference. After maybe I get the second ones installed, I don't know. We'll see. Look at that, that's it. That's all you really need. Held on by one screw, it's in there, nice and tight. Those two little slots that we spoke of before are sitting in the back. Faster. It looks a lot better, I like it. So, all right, I got 3 installed. I got these 2, and I got 1 installed here, but this one, it's giving me a little bit of problems because this piece here snapped off. Yeah, this is gonna be an issue. See you guys in a minute. All right, I'm back. I have a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna try to figure out a way to take this thing off without completely destroying it. I highly doubt I'm gonna be able to, but you guys can see the fail at least. Damn it. So I just broke a piece off of it. Okay, that's all right. The install actually suggests that you tape this anyway to the other piece, so I'll have to get some duct tape at some point to duct tape these pieces, but for now I think they'll be okay. Let's get the final one. Perfect. All 4 installed. Look at that. Look at that. Why did that suck so much for me to do though? Probably because I'm out of shape and I like sandwiches. But let's see what they look like with the car running. So this isn't good. The sequential lights aren't working for some odd reason. Not only that, but now they're messing up the headlights, where when I turn on the turn signals, only these 2 light up and they won't work. All right, so let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Right, so that starts to happen now. So this is what they're doing. That's what they're doing. God damn it. And these are lighting up, but not really. So let's see if they do the same thing with the going the other way. Same thing. Only these 3 are lighting up. The other ones aren't lighting up. But the backs are lighting up fine. So I'm thinking if I reconnect the backs so they're not sequential, I'll be okay. So let's try that. Hopefully that fixes the problem, because I really don't want to have to deal with having to drive with no turn signals. That'll just be bad news. So I just took all these back right out and reconnected those connectors, the white little connectors that were in there previously. This is the universal sign for connectors. I'm gonna do this for another half hour and then I'm gonna cut it out. Anyway, so I disconnected those connectors in there I reconnected them again. Hopefully that makes a difference. I don't know, let's see. It's not clicking like it was before. Oh crap, okay. Okay, these bad boys are working. All right, let's see what the back ones look. Why am I out of breath? What the F? Let's see what the back ones look like. They're working just fine. Let's start them up and try out the directionals. Okay. If it starts clicking crazy, you know it's not doing well. Holy shit, yes. Oh, look at that. Yes. They are working perfectly. Actually, you know what? Don't lock me in. Look at that. Perfect. All right, so I guess you can't do sequential in the front and in the back. I'm thinking that's the issue that RetroFit Source, which is the company I got both the headlights and the rear lights from, were having, because they sent back the tail lights a while back. I was supposed to get these like a while ago, but I never got them. They sent these tail lights back to rework them. I guess they still didn't get the kinks out, but they look nasty. I like them. They're definitely gonna look really good with what I have planned for this this Z. A little disappointed though, I'm not gonna lie. You know, you envision this specific thing happening in your head. I'm gonna have sequential lights in the front, sequential lights in the back, and it's gonna look sick. But then you're given this, which is, I mean, ultimately looks wise, it's not bad. I love the way they look, but I'm really disappointed. I'm really, really disappointed. They look really good. I like the looks of them. It definitely updates the look of the car. Look wise, awesome. And this is what I've been going for so far with this car. With the wheels, side skirt, headlights, tail lights, the tent that's beyond illegal. If any cops are watching, I love you all. Looks wise, the car looks awesome, but I gotta admit, the one part that I had the biggest issues with was RetroFit Source. Due to the fact that I ordered these at the beginning of the summer, and I got them super late. But yeah, I'm still kind of, they look good. I'll say that. They look good. They look sick. I like them. But damn, come on, RetroFit. What the? Bruh, you killed me. You killed me with this, bruh. Right, either way, they look good. I still have big plans for her, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know. So now I gotta go get ready for my boy James's party. Let me go get dressed. I'm a sloppy mess. I look gross.
Rotates around it, you know.
Jesus, poor baby, poor thing. Had no idea. Oh, it's okay. God damn. How you feel about this?
Dude, heartbroken.
Oh my God. But
losing a friend.
it is. It's like losing a family
member
member.
in a hospital because you still don't know what's gonna happen yet. So.
But thankfully, you're okay,
Yes.
which is a plus.
Yeah.
But leaves it open, like that open slot for another project.
Who knows what it might be? Maybe it'll still be this. We'll see.
You can ask him. At some point, I was like, "Oh my God, he got hit." She's like, "Is he all right?" "Yeah, he's fine." "But what about me?" What's up, buddy? What's going on? It's got the McLaren out and everything. So GTR, McLaren, Prowler, CTS-V. What's up? What's up, bro? All right.
No.
What the hell? What was that all about?
No.
Anyway, so closing out the video. That install kicked my ass. I'm gonna have a Corona and drive. No, I'm kidding. I am gonna have a Corona and get an Uber home. So thank you for watching. Check out some of these before you go.
A Ferrari.
I know, right? Right in front of Ferrari. I should start videotaping this, but screw it. Got CTX-V in the corner, McLaren GTR, a Prowler, Plymouth, Ferrari, Lexus LF. What is that, LFA? Yeah. LFS? I don't know, we'll figure it out. If you like what you're watching so far, please smash that like button and also subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Peace.
You wear the halo, it shines so bright. When I was way low, you weren't my light. Yeah. You make my heart move as fast as time. I feel so lucky just to call you mine.